If you love to be immersed in nature, then the cabin Anna, a Zen-like movable wooden cabin, is for you. This movable structure slides open so you can be exposed to the elements, soak up the sun and sky, view flocks of birds flying overhead, or feel the warm breeze on your face, all right from the comfort of your bedroom and living room. The cabin Anna was designed by award-winning architectural designer Caspar Schols and inspired by his initial design, a garden house made out of a shed for his parents. It comes in 3 different models: the Anna Stay, the Anna Meet and the Anna Me. The Anna Stay, which has 2 sections that move on wheels, is a lightweight, flexible cabin designed for living and sleeping, guest house, holiday retreat, etc. In most cases, the Anna Stay doesn't need a foundation, yet some soil types may require a screw foundation, but this can be easily installed. Structurally, the Anna Stay is very stable, thanks to its reliance on the sidewalls for structural integrity. It's predominantly made with inland Douglas fir and combined with birch plywood for the indoors and inland larch fir for the outdoors. It's equipped with an indoor bathroom, a shower and a flush toilet, a fully furnished kitchen and a lot of storage space. A bedroom and lounge area can be opened up entirely to the outdoors, and it also has a mezzanine level in the non-moving half, which allows the space for a second bed. The option to install central heating is also available. The Anna Meet, which has 4 moving parts, is designed for yoga, meditation, meetings and educational sessions. The outdoor setting of the Anna Meet changes the dynamic of a gathering of colleagues and elevates brainstorming to another level. With the presence of Mother Nature, you will find that when professionals, a circle of friends and colleagues come together for a meeting, creative session or private gathering, inspiration and positivity are sure to flow. Anna Me can be customized and designed for living and sleeping, an office space or a holiday retreat, etc. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.